Hi, I'm Paul Heney, VP and Editorial Director for Design World. This month, WTWH was proud to announce the winners of the inaugural LEAP Awards. An independent judging panel of 18 engineers selected the finalists and winners, and they were honored at a gala dinner event that was held in Costa Mesa, California on December 11th. The dinner was held in conjunction with the rapidly growing Device Talks West event. I'd like to say thank you to everyone who attended and to EE World's editor, Amy Kalnauskas, who helped me MC the evening and announce the winners. Here is a listing of the winners. In the category of additive manufacturing, the winner is HP Incorporated for Jet Fusion 300/500 series. Congratulations. The judges commented, "There are so many aspects of this technology that push the envelope. The material properties, print fidelity, surface finish, and print speed available with the Jet Fusion are taking 3D printing to the next level." Once again, congratulations. In the category of advanced materials, the winner is LJ Star Incorporated for Metalplex optical grade polymer sanitary sight windows. The judges commented, "Rethinking the obvious and developing an elegant solution. Sometimes simple things are brilliant. This is one of those workhorse innovations that delights industry. A new answer to an old problem with the customer's needs in mind. Congratulations." In the category of connectivity, the winner is Fisher Connectors for the Fisher Freedom LP360. The judges commented, "A breakthrough signal and power connector with easy mating and easy cleaning that maximizes usability, efficiency, and performance. This product changes the way of fast connection without looking. I think that this will change the way connectors and connectivity is done. A simple and great solution. Very clever and useful product. Congratulations." In the category of embedded computing, the winner is Microchip Technology Inc. for their SAM L11. The judges commented, "This submission is brilliantly designed with security in mind from the start and integrates commonly used peripherals for IoT devices. A good balance of speed, capability, and security versus power and cost. Congratulations." In the category of fluid power, the winner is Eaton Corporation for Boom Stability Control System. The judges commented, "This is a great improvement for boom control, not only for the concrete industry, but for boom lifts and man lifts in general. Utilizes modern adaptive control system to stabilize the boom. Congratulations." In the category of industrial automation, the winner is Omnify Software for Omnify Empower/Six Rivers Robot Chuck. The judges commented, "Highly innovative and will improve productivity. A great product that will be so helpful to individuals doing picking and packing of the product being shipped. Congratulations." In the category of mechanical, the winner is Rolling Motion Industries for their traction drive technology. The judges commented, "This is a game-changing technology that competitors will be chasing for years to come. Truly impressive performance. Congratulations." In the category of motion control, the winner is Maxon Precision Motors for their exoskeleton joint actuator. The judges commented, "Excellent product in a groundbreaking application. Maxon has taken the leadership role by packaging products specifically for the exoskeleton market. By providing an integrated assembly, customers will be able to focus on application-specific elements without the burden of reinventing joint actuation. Congratulations." In the category of power electronics, the winner is Maxim Integrated for their Himalaya USLIC solution. The judges commented, "Amazing amount of performance and features in an incredibly small package. Very high power density, low profile, and good efficiency. Congratulations." In the category of switches and sensors, the winner is Omron Automation Americas for their A2W wireless push button. The judges commented, "Great product and technology, an implementation of low power. Excellent. Great concept to eliminate complex wiring in a crowded electrical circuit and other applications. Congratulations." In the category of test and measurement, we had a tie, and the two winners are Anritsu for their Signal Quality Analyzer RMP1900A BERT, and Keithley Instruments for their DMM and DAQ. The judges commented for Anritsu, "This is one of those can't live without it type of products. This will probably become a standard tool for evaluating systems as we move to 5G and ever higher data rates." For Keithley, DMM, data acquisition, data logging, and analysis in one compact unit, which is an essential tool for testing, quality control, and failure analysis of any electrical circuit. Congratulations to both companies. Now, I'd like to thank all of the manufacturers that participated in this year's first ever LEAP Awards. We look forward to seeing the innovations that will be submitted for the 2019 LEAP Awards. Nominations open on May 1st. Watch Design World online for details. Thank you.